The legal disclaimer ensures transparency about recipe sources and viewer responsibility. Fish and caramel sauce, known in Vietnamese as Cá Kho Tộ, meaning fish braised in a clay pot, is one of the most beloved home-cooked dishes in Vietnam. The recipe comes from Vietnamese Cooking Made Easy by Nongkran Daks, Alexandra Greeley, and Wendy Hutton, published by Periplus Editions. The Vietnamese typically use catfish for this dish, though any firm-fleshed fish will work. Whole fish or large cross-cut fillet steaks are preferred because they hold their shape during braising. What makes this dish extraordinary is the caramel sauce, the deep mahogany syrup that gives the dish its signature color and bittersweet depth. Sugar is melted slowly in a dry skillet until it turns dark amber, then fish sauce is added, a dramatic moment where the salty, umami-rich liquid meets molten caramel. Shallots and black pepper round out the sauce before the fish is stir-fried, braised, and finished with fresh ginger and a shower of coriander. The result is a savory-sweet, intensely flavorful dish traditionally served over steamed jasmine rice. The Kho technique, braising protein in a caramel-based sauce, is a cornerstone of Vietnamese cooking and appears in many variations from pork to shrimp. Food Network Kitchen describes Kho as a method where various types of protein are simmered or braised in a savory and aromatic caramel sauce made with fish sauce and sugar, noting that catfish steaks are particularly prized because they are close to impossible to overcook. They get better the longer they spend in the deeply flavorful sauce. This recipe captures that tradition in just 20 minutes of active cooking. Main ingredients: catfish fillets cut into thick slices, 1 1/2 pounds, oil, 2 tablespoons, caramel sauce, sugar, 2/3 cup, fish sauce, 1/2 cup, shallots thinly sliced, 8, freshly ground black pepper, 1/2 teaspoon. Aromatics and garnish. In fresh ginger root, peeled and grated, 1/2. Sprigs of coriander leaves to garnish as desired. For serving, steamed jasmine rice as desired. Here are the written ingredient list. Preparation steps: 1. Slice the catfish. Cut 1 1/2 pounds of catfish fillets into thick slices, keeping the pieces large enough to hold their shape during braising. 2. Grate the ginger. Peel a 1/2 inch piece of fresh ginger root and grate it finely. Set aside. 3. Slice the shallots. Thinly slice 8 shallots. Set aside for the caramel sauce. 4. Measure the ingredients. Measure out 2/3 cup of sugar, 1/2 cup of fish sauce, 2 tablespoons of oil, and 1/2 teaspoon of freshly ground black pepper. Have everything ready before you start cooking. The caramel comes together quickly. Cooking steps. Make the caramel sauce. 1. Melt the sugar. Heat 2/3 cup of sugar in a skillet over low heat, stirring constantly until it begins to melt and caramelize, 3 to 5 minutes. The sugar will go from white to golden to a deep amber. Watch carefully so it does not burn. 2. Add the fish sauce. Remove the skillet from the heat and carefully add 1/2 cup of fish sauce. The mixture will sputter vigorously. This is normal. Return the pan to the heat and bring the mixture to a boil over medium heat. C. Simmer into syrup. Simmer uncovered for about 5 minutes, stirring constantly until the mixture turns into a thick, dark syrup. Add the 8 thinly sliced shallots and 1/2 teaspoon of freshly ground black pepper, mix well, and remove from the heat. This yields about 2/3 cup of caramel sauce. Cook the fish. 4. Stir-fry the fish. Heat 2 tablespoons of oil in a wok or skillet over medium heat. Add the catfish slices and stir-fry for 2 to 3 minutes until the fish begins to brown on the surface. 5. Add ginger and sauce. Add the grated ginger and the prepared caramel sauce to the wok. Bring the mixture to a boil. Braise. Reduce the heat to low and simmer uncovered for 5 more minutes until the fish is cooked through and has absorbed the deep flavors of the caramel sauce. 7. Serve. Transfer to a serving platter. Garnish with sprigs of coriander leaves and serve hot with steamed jasmine rice.